Order. The meeting. Starting with the leader. This meeting is a one-item agenda. It is not a caucus. It is not a Governors Forum meeting. It is a meeting of the PDP. PDP stakeholders with the governors and other organs of the party to discuss and chart a way forward in terms of unifying the party. The country is aware of what we experienced about a week ago, where we had a spate of suspensions and counter-suspensions. But PDP is a wonderful party. We were able to surmount that problem, and we are united today under the leadership of Acting Chairman, Ambassador Ilya Damago. And that's why we are here, because the governors, the BOT, who are the conscience of the party, will discuss matters that will make us succeed in the future. And to avert this kind of happenings, we are here to discuss issues that are germane, but which are internal. And of course, at the end of the day, we'll reveal to the media and to the world what we have done. Because the PDP magic is that it can always come back. We will resist with all our strength and capacity any attempt to convert Nigeria into one-party state. We will make sure that all the dividing forces will not succeed within us. We will use our experiences and our unity, especially experiences that we garnered since 1999, to make sure we provide Nigerians a very good platform with which to actualize their aspirations in 2027. Thank you very much. We will brief you on the outcome of the meeting, but this is a PDP meeting that is bringing all the organs of the party so that we can chart a course that will ensure that we win in Ondo, we continue to win, and we rescue power from the maladministration of the APC. Thank you very much.
Actually attending, just as you can see, the mission and the governments are all here.
Who get this one? Hello, sir. How are you?
The outcome, the resolution of the meeting is actually all about. We're actually live now, and we're going to be having the governor, the chairman of the Governors Forum, addressing the press, and alongside with our 605 governors.
Thank you, distinguished members of the press. Good evening. Arising from a consultative meeting of the various organs of the People's Democratic Party, PDP, held at the Tatari Ali Bauchi Governors Residence here in Abuja today, the following decisions were taken. 1. The National Executive Committee NEC meeting slated for October 24th, 2024 has been rescheduled to November 20th, 2024. The postponement is to give the party ample opportunity to concentrate on the forthcoming Ondo gubernatorial elections of November 16, 2024. 3. Reiterating the need for unity in the face of efforts by detractors to divide us, the meeting called on all members to shun utterances that could undermine the ongoing efforts at strengthening the party for the future success of our dear party. Thank you very much.
Can we ask a couple of questions?
Yeah, you can.
Okay, so, Rahman, can I go first? Okay, so sir, this meeting has been much anticipated, and now you're saying that you're shifting till next month, 28th, right?
Yeah.
Next month.
28th.
Of next month.
Of October.
All right, sir. The question is, with all of the back and forth suspensions that we witnessed, in the past week, sir, where is the party in all of this? Like, what is the position, really, the position of the PDP Governors Forum on the imbroglio that we actually saw? Then the second question.
But the position of the party and the PDP Governors Forum is known to everybody. You can see we are here with the acting chairman and the two sides that went into that, and we don't want to go back into ugly the occurrences that happened. We have really retraced our steps. We are together and united. Both parties have shielded their thoughts, and of course, we are good to go. We have reverted to the status quo before the commencement of the various suspensions. So I think it is something we are speaking with one voice, that because we want to win election, and still there may be some semblances of division and rancor, we don't want to give the opposition the opportunity to undercut us in Ondo, knowing fully well that Nigerians are looking up to us and our party members are looking up to us to make sure we rescue that state from the maladministration of the APC.
Your Excellency, I'm surprised for the first time you are talking about just the PDP. What about Nigeria? Considering what is happening in the country, are you not going to tell us what?
Wow, it's known to everybody. I don't want to overflow the issue of hunger and anger. I don't want to overflow the issue of the sufferings and toiling of people without remorse, without empathy from the government. I don't want to talk about an administration that is clueless, that has no left and right. They don't know where they are going. They are just perambulating and then somersaulting in policies and programs. We don't want to talk about the problems and challenges of the common man that is just an untold hardship, groaning in agony and melancholy. I don't want to talk about the country that every black man is looking up to, but we are praying for our leadership, devoid of politics, that we may reason with those who demonstrated against us. The PDP governors are doing very well, and also the other governors are doing very well. So we want the federal government to work too.
Thank you.
Are we going back to this?
No. When are you back? If you want to go back, you can take it. Where are you? Hold on.
I have
You're welcome.